STP is 35 km away from Baku and about 55 km from Heydar Aliyev International Airport. The site for STP covers over 130 hectares of land. Geographic location of STP provides easy access to major regional sea and railway routes. STP is a huge complex of plants that specialized in various fields of industrial production. STP is the largest industrial complex in the South Caucasus, Central Asia and Middle East regions. 16 plants are currently in active exploitation. 11 plants are under construction and will be open in the near future. Industrial potential of STP can cover needs of local and foreign markets. About 3,500 employees working in construction, installation and production fields at the STP. The number of employees will be increased to 5,500 after construction of all plants. Sumgait Technologies Park is the largest non-oil investment project in the South Caucasus and Central Asia region. Cable plant is the advanced technology enterprise that is the largest in the region. The cable production plant with 500 kW will be put into operation by the end of 2012. Plastic pipe plant specialized on production of different polyethylene pipes and is one of the prospective plants at the STP. First hot galvanizing plant in Azerbaijan has been constructed at the Sumgait Technologies Park. STP launched assembly of the heavy-duty trucks first time in the region. STP, Sumgait Technologies Park, new brand of Azerbaijan.